Hi guys, and thanks for checking out the Weather Porthole. I'm BAMWX.com co-founder and meteorologist Michael Clark. We're so excited that you've taken interest in this product that puts the weather on demand in your hand when you want it, with forecasts that update every single hour. This is very cool stuff. You're going to get access to things like our long-range analysis, high-definition radar, current conditions, weather forecasting maps for severe weather and excessive rainfall that are handmade by our meteorologists here on a daily basis. 24/7 meteorological support, video forecasts as well, severe weather mobile alerts, and lightning detection as well. One of our clients out of Minnesota said that this product is the best combination of a weather app and personal video forecast he's ever seen. He's finally been able to delete all of his other free apps that weren't very accurate anyways. We're super excited to unveil this product to you, show you how to sign up for it, show you how it works. Let's get right into it. What we want to do is walk you through this process of getting signed up, getting registered. It's super simple. It's very user-friendly. You can do it all right from your phone. In fact, this is exactly what it's going to look like on your phone. You're just going to go to weatherporthole.com. You're going to type in, or you're going to click on register. You're going to start typing in your information. Right? Go to register, put your first name, you'll put your last name, your company name. You'll go down here to your mobile phone number. It's important to enter your mobile phone number because you're going to be getting and receiving text alerts and things like that from the Weather Portal software. Put your email in and then your password. And then you would simply go down here. Remember to check that you're not a robot. All right, click on that and you click register, and then all your information goes into our database. After you've registered and your information's in the database, then what happens is you're taken to the payment option. What you'll do is you'll just simply click on one of these. You'll click on yearly, and then you'll go and you'll click on enhanced. All right, if these are the options that you're selecting, you can select any option that you want. You'll go down here, and if you have sub-users that you're wanting to put on, you might type in 1 or 2 sub-users or an additional location. You might type in 1 or 2 locations. As you're doing this, each one that you click on adds a value to the total cost. You scroll down to the very bottom and you'll see what the total cost is for the year, or if you're doing a 6-month option. All right guys, so once you have registered and the payment process is complete, you logged in, now what we're going to do is create a location. Very important, because when you create a location, that's where the forecast information is going to come from. So what you're going to do is enter in the name of your location, whatever you want it to be, home, work, whatever. And then you'll enter in the street address, the city, and the state. It's important that that information is accurate because that's where the forecast data is going to come from. It's literally going to come down to within 1 square mile of your location from our computer model grids. All right, so once you've set up your location, what you're going to do now is you'll have the ability to change that. All right, you can be any location you want it to be at any time. You'll click on your location and you'll go up to the top right portion of the screen where it's going to say edit location. Once you go to that, it'll bring up this little tab down here. It'll simply say edit your location. All right, you will click on that, and then you can change whatever it is you want your location to be. But what's also important is in this area, if you've set up for lightning alerts and you're going to get the severe weather alerts, you can dictate the ranges at which you want the lightning alerts to come in. It may be 5 miles, it may be 10 miles, 15, 20, but there's 3 steps. You can change that mileage at any time. And then you can also select which NWS alerts you want to receive to your phone directly via text message. These are location-specific instant text alerts with MRMS Doppler radar images included in those text alerts. All right, you can just simply select what you want, update it, click Save at the bottom. All right, guys, once we've got everything all set up, we want to go and see what this portal actually does. On the beginning screen here, when you log in to weatherporthole.com, put in username and password after you set up everything, you have this legend that will tell you certain things about your location. The NWS alert will always override everything, so your bar will light up blue. If there's nothing going on, obviously it's green. If you have lightning, it just means lightning's approached one of your miles of rings that you've determined, all right, to be a threshold. So we'll go and click on the test location. The first thing that's going to pop up is an hour-by-hour, 36-hour forecast using our unique blend of models forecast. What this is doing is really taking all the computer model data in the world we can get our hands on and generating a forecast. Other traditional services may be giving you forecasts for ASOS stations that may be a reporting station as far as 40 or 50 miles away. You're going to get over a dozen weather parameters here. It will predict temperature, dew point, wind gusts, the amount of rain, the wind or the visibility, all kinds of really neat stuff here, and plus timing out everything by the hour. Once we got onto the screen, we also saw up here that we did have a winter weather advisory in effect. That could be for any alert. you're going to get that alert sent to your phone via text message. You're going to know it's there. You go on here, you click on that. If you click on the winter weather advisory, it'll give you a description of the advisory, when it starts, when it stops, and what it's for. Then you click on the back button up here on the top right-hand portion of the screen. Then we'll go over here to the live radar tab. Once you've clicked on the radar here, we also have options, the options tab down here on the bottom right with different layers. There's all kinds of different tools available for you to use here directly from your phone, of course. You can look at the probability of hail, of severe hail, the size of the hail. We can look at lightning probability, and we can even look at QPE. QPE stands for Quantitative Precipitation Estimate. It's a gauge-corrected MRMS technology, and it is very good at guessing the rainfall down to your exact location. You would just simply click on a location, and then you click right on it, and the amount of rain shows up for the period you selected. You can go click over there if you want the heavier rain, and it'll show you the amount of rainfall. You'll also notice you can zoom in as close as you want. You can get down as far as you want to go, down to your street, down to your home address, and find out how much precipitation has fallen at any one given location. You'll also notice too that we are plotting temperatures on here, dew points, wind direction, wind speed. All you have to do is click on that options bar, and it will show you what option you want to select, what variable, what parameter you want to look at. Every forecast, every location, you get current conditions. All you got to do is just click on the current conditions tab. It's going to tell you the current conditions for the closest reporting station. It's going to give you the latest observations. If you go back, you can see, actually we just stay at the top. You can see here we look at the 7-day forecast. Each location is going to get a 7-day forecast. These forecasts are updated every 3 hours, exactly for your location, down to the latitude, down to the longitude. So this actually is a true location-specific weather forecast using our model data technology, the best that there is. It really is. It's BAM approved. This is the same type of information our meteorologists look at to generate our forecasts that we do every day. You'll also have access to the long-range outlooks. Okay, keep in mind we're sampling the all-in package, so this is you getting everything here, right? Our long-range packages will include our week 1, our week 2, our week 3 and 4 outlooks. Those are updated every day. And then at the bottom, you can click play for our latest long-range video forecast. Okay, again, updated every day. Go back to the top into our weather forecast map section. This is really neat because what this is our 7-day rainfall, our 7-day snowfall. And then we have our handmade maps by our meteorologists dictating day 1 and 2 severe weather threats, day 1 and 2 excessive rainfall threats, and then down at the bottom, we'll have more featured images that show longer term severe weather outlooks and things of that nature. The last part of this is the meteorological support. We're available 24/7, 365 days a year, and as soon as you send a question in for your location, we are required to answer you within 5 minutes. It is our pleasure to assist you and to answer whatever weather-related question you may have. All you do is type your question in, hit send, and it goes straight to you. When you get these text alerts that come to you instantaneously at the time the lightning strike occurs or the time the warning has been issued, they're going to come to your phone and they're going to look just like this. For example, this particular location got a severe thunderstorm warning and they had cloud to ground lightning within 20 miles. So we can click on these and we can enhance them and make them bigger. When we do that, this is what they look like. Note that all 3 of these rings have turned red because lightning is now as close as 7.7 miles noted there at the top. But we also see the warning polygon shaped over the area, dictating where the warning is in place. What's very important is our technology uses location-specific weather alerting. We are not using county-based weather alerts, which means that if the northern part of your county gets a tornado warning or a severe thunderstorm warning, and you're 15 miles southeast of that, you will not receive the alert. This process eliminates false alarms and false panic. Very neat. Some of these other features I mentioned that you can click on and look at, this is what they look like in action. This is a thunderstorm that is just producing a crazy return. This is what we would call a severe hail type thunderstorm. We actually have a tool. We can click on it and it will tell us the percentage possibility for severe hail. And we can zoom down into the exact location. If this were to be a live instance, you could zoom down to exactly where you're located. Also, for those of you who are managing people and events and venues and things like that, we also have our lightning probability tool. This tool predicts lightning and it gives you an idea 30 minutes out ahead of time, what's the probability of lightning to occur in one certain location. You click on it and it would give you the percentage for the lightning to occur. Guys, we really appreciate you taking interest in this product. This is weather on demand, in your hand when you want it. These forecasts are updated on the hour, every hour, and our team of meteorologists is consistently massaging this data. This is not like the traditional automated weather forecast services that you've been used to. We have our hands on this. We are consistently massaging, fine-tuning, and ensuring the best possible accuracy with this product. And the greatest thing about all this is everything comes to your phone. If there's an alert, anything that you need to know, it's getting sent to you instantaneously. It's location specific, and you got all that information. You just click on it, takes you right to the dashboard, and you're able to make some very good decisions with that data. Here are the subscription packages. All right, again, we can do 6 months or 1 year. And if you do the yearly package, you get a 10% discount. These are all the options here listed. I'm happy to help you out further. If you have any questions, you can reach out to anyone on our staff here, info@bamwx.com. Hope to hear from you soon.